Hi, good noon, everyone. So this is the session which explains the addressing modes of 8085. We'll share the PPT. So this session is to explain about the addressing modes of 8085. So what is the need to know about the addressing modes of 8085 is to perform any type of operation in a microprocessor, that is 8085 in a processor, we have to give the corresponding instructions to the processor to execute that particular task. In each instruction, the programmer has to specify the three things. What are the three things means? Operation which has to be performed by the processor, address of the source of data, that is the given value, address of the destination of result. After the process, the result will goes and stays in some memory location. That memory location is called destination. So the three things are very much important. One is the operation, which has to be performed by the processor. The data from the source, that is the address of the data which act as the source, and address of the location where the result have to store. Then the method by which the address of source of data and the address of destination of result is given in the instruction is called as addressing modes. There are various types by which we can give the details to the processor about the instruction as well as the data set. The term addressing mode refers to the way in which the operand of the instruction is specified. So we are classifying the addressing modes by specifying the value in the for example, as in the address or as in the register or the direct data. Likewise, we can give the detail to the processor. So that specification, that is the every method called as the addressing modes. There are 5 types of addressing modes in case of the 8085 processor. The first one is the direct addressing mode, and then register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, and the implicit addressing mode. So by the name itself, we came to know about the way we are giving the data to the processor. The first one is direct addressing mode. In this case, we are providing the address in the instruction where the data will locate it. So that memory location is directly given in the instruction itself. So it is called as direct addressing mode. In this mode, the address of the operand is given in the instruction itself. That is the direct address where the operand is stored, that is the data is stored, is directly given in the instruction. For example, here we are loading the value, that is the contents of memory location, which is available in the 2500. We are loading that value to the accumulator. So here the instruction is LDA is the instruction, and 2500 is the memory location. Accumulator is the destination. So this is the direct addressing mode. So the addressing mode which specifies the operand in the address directly specified in the instruction. This is called as direct addressing mode. Here it is a register addressing mode, that is the value which have to be performed, that is the operand. We have to store in a register. From that register, the value is taken and moved to the destination. Here the given example is the move A, B. Move is the operation which is given, that is we have to transfer the value which is located in the B to the accumulator. Here the source of data is the B register and A is the destination, that is accumulator is the destination. Register indirect addressing mode. In this mode, the address of the operand is specified by a register pair. Here M is the register pair. Here we are specifying the location of the operand which has to be performed. So this is the example for that move A, M. So he move is the operation, M is the memory location specified by the that is HL register pair, where the transferring data will stores mean in case of the accumulator. So A is called as the destination place, destination memory location. So this is the register indirect addressing mode. From the previous three addressing modes, the immediate addressing mode differ by giving the data directly to the, that is direct data is given in the instruction itself. In this mode, the operation is specified within the instruction itself. There is no need of registers. There is no need of memory location, and then indirect memory locations, HL pair. That these things are not needed. So in this case, we are considering the instruction. We are specifying the instruction which immediate, that is the direct data where we are giving, mention it as I, that is move immediately. The value 05 will store in the accumulator A. So this is the example given. Then implicit addressing mode means the address of the source of data as well as the address of destination is fixed, then there is no need to give any operand along with its instruction. For example, consider the CMA, that is the complement. The value which is located in the accumulator. For example, if the value 101 is located in the accumulator, means the complement of the 101 is 010. The source is in the accumulator as well as the destination in the accumulator itself, just the inversion of the given value. So no data is given in the implicit addressing mode. So these are all the various addressing modes we are specifying in the 8085 according to the operation which have to be performed. We are specifying the addressing modes. Thank you all.